Hey everybody, it's John Grahala. Just finished up a 2-day boot camp for a new team. They had a blast. They actually got a chance to learn about one another. It was kind of surprising that some of these individuals that work together daily, some of them haven't been able to be introduced, and this was a great opportunity, almost like a team building event. We learned through some lecture, we had to talk through some examples. We had a lot of interactive activity though. We played games. We did some scrum simulations. People were getting up, moving, being involved. They were creating things and building things with their hands, and all the while learning about the true reason we have Agile values and principles. Little did they know that they were leveraging those practices to help teams form and self-organize and be self-managed. So come join the fun. It's not a boring session. It's not a lecture hall. So you're going to be getting up in your seat. You're going to be getting interactive. You're going to be creating. You're going to be innovative. And if anything, you're just going to have a great team building experience.